Ever wondered how many different currencies you can juggle without dropping a single ball? Okay, maybe juggling currencies isn't your thing, but trust me, it's a real headache for travelers. Imagine trying to figure out exchange rates, conversion fees, and ATM charges in every country you visit. It's enough to make anyone want to cancel their vacation plans. But what if there was a magical card that could handle all that for you? A card that lets you spend in almost any currency without the hassle. That's where YouTrip comes in. You've probably heard of it. It's that sleek, little card promising to revolutionize the way we spend while traveling. But here's the burning question: how many currencies can this wonder card actually handle? Is it a dozen? 50? Or does it cover the entire planet? Let's dive deep into the world of YouTrip and find out. We'll explore the nitty-gritty details, uncover hidden features, and even compare it to other multi-currency cards. By the end of this video, you'll be a YouTrip expert. So, grab your passport, or at least your phone, and let's get started. Okay, let's cut to the chase. How many currencies does YouTrip actually support? Well, the short answer is, it's a lot. YouTrip boasts a wide range of currencies, covering most major economies and popular tourist destinations. But don't be fooled by the impressive number. What really matters is how well YouTrip handles these currencies. Now, while YouTrip offers a vast array of currencies, it's essential to understand that not all currencies are created equal. Some currencies are more widely supported than others. For instance, popular tourist destinations like Europe, the United States, and Australia are well covered. However, if you're planning a trip to a remote or less traveled country, you might encounter some limitations. But let's not get too bogged down in the technicalities. The real magic of YouTrip lies in its simplicity. It's designed to take the stress out of foreign transactions. No more mental math, no more hidden fees, and no more worries about running out of cash. So, is YouTrip the ultimate travel companion? It certainly comes close. With its extensive currency coverage, competitive exchange rates, and user-friendly app, it's undoubtedly a strong contender. But remember, every traveler has different needs and priorities. What works for one person might not work for another. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.